Guys, I'm so excited. We are here at Universal Studios for the closing night, and they have shut down Universal just for us. We are getting the red carpet treatment. Guys, this is so cool. So I'm just beelining in Super Nintendo World. I am so excited. So basically to get there you have to pass through the Simpsons area, and then there will be this escalator going down. Guys, I made it! Hi! Oh wow, oh my gosh. Guys, this is so amazing. And there's Peach's castle at the back. Thank you. Bye. Oh wow, that's a lot. That's hard. Hi. Hey guys, so I am here at the Toadstool Cafe. They really did a great job in making it feel like you're in the world of Nintendo in this cafe. And I basically asked the cashier, what's the cutest, most Nintendo thing to order that's also delicious? And he told me to get the super mushroom soup and the tiramisu. Plus I also got this drink that they have called the Superstar Lemon Squash. So it's very nice and refreshing. It actually has a nice lemon taste. They have like popping boba inside, so that's really cool. And it has like carbonation, so it's very, very refreshing in the summer. This here is the tiramisu. So this here is the super mushroom soup. Let's open it. It's so cute. Look at this. Guys, so one thing that's super cool with the super mushroom soup is they actually give you this block box And you get to keep the bowl, this like toad bowl, you get to keep it when you order. That's such a nice souvenir when you eat here. Let's try. I love that it's very, very creamy. It's a thicker texture, so it's not like overly soupy. I do wish it's a little more liquidy, but not like too soupy. Because right now it's very, very thick. But the mushroom taste is amazing. Guys, the tiramisu is legit. You really taste the mascarpone, the lady fingers is really good too. And I love that it's not overly sweet. I'm now doing the Transformers ride.
The Megatron, love his sense of humor.
Guys, that was so much fun, so action-packed, and the 3D is so cool. Highly recommend that ride. Looks like you're gonna get wet because I see people wearing ponchos, so I don't think I'll be taking any videos here. Guys, so I tried not wearing the poncho, so I'm kinda wet right now. Guys, I just spot Homer. I'm checking out Harry Potter. Love the book so much and the movies. Guys, it's a Hogwarts castle right behind me. I'm gonna try the roller coaster in the Wizarding World. I didn't get to try that last time. I only went to the flight simulator inside the castle. So I think this is supposed to be like the Hagrid's scooter coaster or something. So that ride was pretty fun, but it was super short. Like I probably would have wanted like twice the length duration of the coaster. Guys, of course I have to get a butterbeer. hours to maximize the VIP experience from like 7:30 to 10:30. So I've been like walking like crazy, barely taking any breaks, trying to get as much rides as I can. So this is the Super Mushroom Calzone.
Honestly, they don't.
Then this here is the Super Mushroom Fizz. Guys, that was such a fun experience. Getting the entire Universal Studios to close for us for 3 hours is such a unique experience.